such beautiful countryside that we're driving through. I want to share it with you guys. Honestly, I was a workaholic in my real estate business. Now, with the digital online business, I actually have the time to have fun. So, guys, take a look at this blueprint that I want to share with you. I've done the due diligence. I know that it's not a scam, and I know that the sky's the limit. All you got to do is check out the blueprint. See if it's what you can enjoy doing. Because don't worry about the tech skills. Don't worry about what you know about social media marketing, what you know about attraction marketing. None of that you need to worry about, because we will teach you every step of the way. With these fantastic e-learning modules, honestly, it's easy. You just need to focus, implement, and you need to be coachable. If you're willing to learn, you're going to make yourself a very good passive income. I've met people in our community that are on 6 and some are even 7-figure income producers. I'm not there yet because I'm still new. I've only been doing this since the 2nd of September, so it takes time to build up to the 6 figures. But one of them did it in 10 months, another one did it in 14 months, another one did it in 18 months. Like one of the ladies I know, she's on $550,000 and she's been doing it for 10 months. So I know, I have confidence watching my peers that I'm going to be able to get to that point and build the business so that I am free of retirement, real estate, that I'm free to retire from real estate. I can't wait. If you want to learn about this blueprint, drop yes in the comments below. Let me share it with you. Check it out. And if you like it, go for it. If you don't, that's cool with me. You can watch me, follow me, and like my posts or comment, I don't mind. But if you really want to learn how to make decent, honest income on the internet, drop yes in the comments below. I'll share that blueprint with you.